It's another unboxing video, and this time I am showing you what's inside my January edition of Feel Unique. It's a sample service. It's not a subscription box. You can dip in, dip out, it's completely up to you. Only do it once a month. So say if you ordered on the 1st of December, you will not be able to reorder until the 1st of January onwards. It costs just £3.95 and postage and packaging is free. After your items are delivered out to you, you get an email and you've got a code then that you can use on the Feel Unique website. And Feel Unique is like, it's a shopping website. It's full of beauty, hair and so on. It's everything you can think of is in there. So you've got £3.95 to use off your future purchase. You just need to sign up, you know, your name and email and that's it. But yeah, so essentially if you do that, you get the box for free. So the sample service is a great way to try something before you buy, particularly if an item is quite a bit of money. The Feel Unique website has a mix of drugstore items and very much high-end items. So it is good to try before you buy because you don't want to waste your money. So you've got the option to choose up to 5 items. I always go for the full 5. I'll always find something. And there's about 4 or 5 different pages that you can click on. So you go up on the Feel Unique website and you see at the top there's a bar and it should have samples. So you click on the samples and then a drop bar comes and then you click on pick and mix, because that's what the sample service is called, pick and mix, and then it brings up your page. Now you can just scroll through, add in up to 5 items as you go along, or you can narrow your search down. So you've got skincare, makeup, tanning products, stuff like that, health and all that. So you've got stuff like that. So it's up to you. I tend to go for new, there's a drop down bar that you can click on new releases. So I click on that and so I look through them first and then I make my way around. So this month I am super excited, really excited. This is the best Feel Unique sample service I've ever had. Ever. And I've had it now, probably way before last summer maybe. It's not too long, but long enough to gauge what it's like and everything. I do like it. I really like it because, you know, £3.95 is so affordable, So I'll just show you what I got in my samples this month. So my first item is a Bliss, and it's a mask appeal, and it's a rubberizing mask. Now this is used, there's no more in there, cannot be used anymore, and I did a video on it, so I will link the video so you can have a look. I completely messed up. I did follow the instructions. In all fairness, I did follow the instructions to the T, but it just wouldn't stay on my face. I had bits all over the place and I was really annoyed and I was really upset as well because I really wanted to have that beautiful rubber looking face, which I didn't get. But I should have added a bit more water and I should have warmed the water up a little bit more and it would have, you know, gone on my face a lot better. But anyway, this is a sample. These actually come in a set of 3 and the set of 3 comes to about £20. There is a promotion on Feel Unique at the moment for about £16, and in each one there is 14 grams. So essentially the recommended retail price is £20. I'm looking at a £6-7 item worth item really, and I paid £3.95 for the box. So that I keep getting, that keeps going around my mind. So I was really chuffed to find this and to try it. It was a laugh, it was fun, it left my skin feeling amazing. I will 100%, if I see this again, I will get it because I'm determined to try harder. Another item I'm really chuffed to get is a Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now this is in shade 3. I'm not sure how many shades came up. I think you had a choice of 2 or 3 or 3 or 4 maybe. I think there wasn't a 1 and there wasn't a 5. I could be wrong. But this is actually the mini version. They sell these. Well, you can buy these anywhere. This is the mini version for 10 and they normally retail for £10. So the fact that it's in this box as a sample, you know, it's a £10 product, it's amazing. I haven't used this. I like the Precisely My Brow, the very fine pointed eyebrow pencil. So this is more of an angled ended one. I haven't used it before. I'll just push that up a little bit more to show you. So yeah, it's exactly my colour. I do like a 3 in Benefit Brows. So no, I look forward to trying that. It looks like I could get some quite nice fine strokes, but fill in the middle a bit. So I don't know, I love the packaging. The Benefit packaging is gorgeous, isn't it? So yeah, so this full price would retail for about £20, I would have thought. I don't know. I know the Precisely My Brow is 20, but yeah, to buy actually this one would cost you £10. So just that and the mask, so far you're looking at about £17 worth of products. That's not all. The next item is a Zentan. I think that's how you pronounce it, Zentan. And this is a 50ml bottle, and such a good sample size, such a good sample size. Now this is quite a pricey item as well. I'm sure it's about 40 odd pound. I know my YouTube pal, Michelle, Lightning Lass, she swears by this. She absolutely adores it, and she went out and bought the actual full size because she loved it so much. Now, I love my fake tan, mainly in the summertime, so I can't wait to try it, and 50ml is such a good sample size. That's definitely an all over body, you know, a really good one. So it says it develops your richest natural self-tan, smooth, super smooth formula for even tone results, antioxidants, fresh grapefruit scent, and it just says weekly self-tan, and it's a medium to dark. So I'm really happy and really excited to try that. The next item, a YouTuber subscriber, and I'm really sorry, I can't remember who told me now, but someone told me about this, and it's the Moschino, and it's an Eau de Toilette, and this is the 5ml sample, perfume sample. But look at this. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. It's a little kitchen cleaner type spray bottle thing. I love it. I absolutely love it. The smell is really nice though. I have had a few little smells and dabs. The smell is gorgeous. Definitely something I would consider buying. Definitely. I haven't smelt it before. I've never tried it. So no, I love it. But that bottle, oh, it's so cute. When I was my daughter's age, my daughter's 11, when I was her age, I remember going into secondary school, and it's around that time, I was really into novelty rubbers. I used to collect a ton of them. Any weird looking food replica rubber, anything. I thought it was so cool and funky, I had to get it. And this is what it reminds me of. It reminds me, it's taken me back to those teenage years, like 30 odd years ago, of me collecting rubbers in strange sizes and shapes and objects, and yeah, funny enough, isn't it? But no, I really like it. So that was the other sample I got. And then the last sample is not as exciting, but I am still excited to try it. But again, it's supposed to come in a pack of 2, but it only came in a pack of 1. So it's a Chez One, I can't pronounce it properly, I think it's Chez One, and it's a moisturising shampoo. It's professional hair care, and this is a 10ml sachet. So that's what that looks like. You can see it's got a perforated edge there, so I'm assuming I would have had the conditioner with it, but it didn't come. So yeah, I'm not too sure about that, but I am happy with it. I am going to try the shampoo, and to be honest, this was my last choice. I was umming and ahhing what to get, and I thought, oh, that'd be quite nice, quite handy to try, especially as it came as a pack of 2. Never mind. So no, so those are all my items. Those are all my items. So a really fantastic mix, I think so anyway. £3.95. £3.95, and I've got, you're looking probably around, what, £20 worth? No, with this, I'm not sure how much money you'd put on this. You're looking probably about £30 possibly of items that I had for £3.95. So if you're new to this sample service, have a look. Have a look, see what's there. There might not be anything that you like there. I'm not sponsored, by the way. If anyone is wondering, I am not sponsored at all. I just think it's just a fab service, especially when you find things like that. Some months are hit and miss. Some months I think, nah, there's nothing there that I really fancy trying, or there doesn't seem to be much new things there, but you know. Yeah, I will link all the details down below. I have got a Feel Unique code actually, so refer a friend code. It entitles you to £10 off your first order, but you have to spend over £30. But and that's for anyone. So say if you were to sign up, then you would have that same refer a friend code to pass on or whatever. But I'll link that down below as well. But yeah, I'll put a link to the sample service so you can take a look, and I will link down all the items that I got. So if you're interested in them, you can look for them for future pick and mixes, if they're not there now. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a like, and it'd be really lovely if you subscribe to my channel if you don't already do so, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.